Hi everyone, this is Cindy Cray at the Heart, and I'm back with my final project using the Not2Shabby I Want It All Valentine's Day package. So for this, let's see, what did I use for all of these? I used the paper pack. I used the ephemera. And I did think I used the stamp set as well. Let me see if I use the stamp set. Maybe I didn't use the stamp set. No stamp set. So I did use this, I believe. And I did use this, which is Lawn Fawn. It's called Big Scripty Words. I'm a big fan of that. Stamp sets and die. So let's get started. So this ended up using almost all the paper and almost all the ephemera. I think all the ephemera is being used. So here we go. And I kept things very simple. Just the card base is very simple. I used the ephemera here, and then I added some little clay hearts and some bling. This is the one that I used a little bit of that stencil. So I did a little bit of stenciling on this heart, and this is from a die I have in my stash. And then I just added the ephemera as well as a little bling and some clay hearts. And then this one was just a way really to try and use some scrap pieces. And we've got our ephemera. This one I stamped Smile. That is from the stamp set. And I figured like this could be used as a thank you card. It could be used as a Mother's Day card. I think there's a lot of possibilities for this one. It's not necessarily Valentine's. This one I stamped the sentiment right on there. That is from the stamp set. It says Hello Sweet Cakes. And then I've got some bling and the clay hearts. And just the paper is just really pretty. And then this one here, I used the Love Ya, the die of that stamp set from Lawn Fawn. And I had some clay hearts, some bling. And I've got the cute little ephemera there. And then some of these layouts are from a Not2Shabby design team member. Some of them are, so just keep that if they look familiar. I did do a case, and I'll try and find the website from that person and link it in the description. But here you go. So got some little clay hearts. That was fun. I really love the roses paper. It's so pretty. So then we use some little bling and the clay hearts, and then we've got our ephemera. And then this one right here, which I thought would be an adorable like anniversary card. And so here we go. And I really killed that kit. So there you go. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Cray at the Heart.